Good morning, my students. Myself Govind Chufal, mathematics teacher, TGT Math. As everybody know that our country also suffer by COVID-19. All schools and institutes are closed. Regular classes are not running. So, as a math teacher, I think to help our students so they can prepare their syllabus at home and make a online video for class 10th students. Now I start class 10th mathematics chapter 1 real numbers introductions. Yes, firstly before teaching syllabus I want to remind you syllabus of class 9th. First one, rational numbers. Yes, you read in class 9th numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P, Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, called rational numbers. It means all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractional numbers, terminating decimal expansion, terminating, non-terminating and repeating decimal expansions, all are called rational number. Example 2 upon 7, minus 7 upon 11, 0.125 is terminating decimal expansion. Next one 1.0126 bar, here 0, 1, 2, 6 are repeating and 0. They are called rational numbers. Number 2, irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot return in the form of P upon Q, where P, Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, called irrational numbers. Yes, example are there, under root 2, under root 3, but under root 4 not, because under root 4 is equal to 2. Pi. Next one, 3.001, 0001, 00001, so on till infinity. It is non-terminating and not repeating decimal expansion. They are called irrational numbers. Now your topic is real number. Yes, a set of rational numbers and irrational numbers called real number. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि सारे रेशनल नंबर और इरेशनल नंबर्स को मिला के रियल नंबर बनता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा. Euclid a mathematician. Division means divide. Lemma. Yes, lemma means I understood here. Lemma. A restatement of a proven statement is called lemma. इसका मतलब ये हुआ किसी प्रूव्ड की हुई स्टेटमेंट को फिर से स्टेटमेंट देना उसे बोलते हैं लेमा. तो यू नो इन एनी डिवीजन प्रोसेस डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइडर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. वी read in previous classes, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, but Euclid give this statement again is called lemma. So therefore Euclid division lemma, given positive integers a and b, a is dividend and b is divisor, their exact unique integers q and r, q for quotient, r for remainder, satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where r is equal or greater than 0 but less than b. b here divisor. Okay, it's called Euclid division lemma. Yes, now fifth, Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm, a technique to find HCF of two given positive integers. Applying Euclid's division lemma is called Euclid's division algorithm. Yes, let a and b are two positive integers. If a is greater than b, then HCF is obtained by following step. Suppose that we are given two numbers a and b, a is greater than b, then a is dividend and b is divisor. Then you can find HCF of a and b by following step. First one, step 1, apply Euclid's division lemma to a and b. So we find whole numbers quotient q and remainder r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is equal 0 equal or greater than 0 but less than b. Step 2, if remainder is 0 then b is the HCF of a and b. अगर आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाता है तो जिससे हमने डिवाइड किया है, डिवाइजर इज द HCF ऑफ a and b. सेकेंड कंडीशन, इफ r is not equal to 0 अप्लाई द डिवीजन लेमा टू b and r. उसके बाद क्या करना है, अगर रिमाइंडर आपको 0 नहीं आता है तो आपने फिर से b और r डिवाइजर और रिमाइंडर को मैं आपने डिवीजन लेमा यूज करना है, अप्लाई करना है. स्टेप 3, कंटिन्यू द प्रोसेस टिल द रिमाइंडर इज 0. ये तब तक करना है जब तक रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाता है. द डिवाइजर व्हेन रिमाइंडर बिकम 0 इज द रिक्वायर्ड HCF. जिस कंडीशन पे आके रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा तो जो डिवाइजर होगा वही उसका HCF होगा. यस, आई थिंक दैट you can understood. Now I start exercise 1.1. It is your math book. Exercise 1.1, question number 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of first, second, third. There are 3 parts. I am solving third part. 867 and 255. Okay. Yes, it is the question number 1, third part. HCF of 867 and 255. Here 867 is greater than 255. Therefore it is the dividend, it is the divisor. आप इससे डिवाइड करेंगे. Yes, 255 867 इसे डिवाइड किया 3 टाइम्स 765. नाउ रिमाइंडर इज 102. अभी रिमाइंडर आपका 0 नहीं आया. देन फिर क्या करेंगे, जो रिमाइंडर है उससे जिसको आपका जो डिवाइजर था उसको डिवाइड करेंगे. 255 2 टाइम डिवाइड 204 माइनस 51. अगेन अभी भी रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ रखा है. देन 51. ओके, नाउ डिवाइड टू डिवाइजर 102 divided 2 times 102, remainder is 0. It means by dividing 51 remainder is 0. Therefore HCF of 867 and 255 is equal to 51. Answer. Then we write steps of Euclid division lemma. Yes, firstly divide it. It is dividend and divisor. It is the quotient, it is remainder. Therefore 867 is equal to divisor into quotient 3 plus remainder. Then in next step we divide this one by 102. Then 255 is equal to 102 into 2 plus remainder 51. In next step 102 is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Their steps. Okay. So therefore first part and second part solve yourself. Now question number 2. It is your math book. Question 2. Show that any positive odd integers is of form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integers. यानी आपने प्रूव करना है कि कोई पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर्स इस फॉर्म में होंगे. Yes, let solution, let a is any positive integers. Then by Euclid division lemma you can say a is equal to bq plus r. But here we can take b is equal to 6. Why? We have proved a 6 here. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6. Therefore I take here b is equal to 6. अच्छा, let a is any positive integers and b is equal to 6. Therefore by Euclid division lemma a is equal to bq. b here 6q plus r, where r is equal or greater than 0 but less than 6. It means remainder is equal to, यानी जो आपका रिमाइंडर होगा 0 से 0 या 0 से बड़ा होगा और 6 से छोटा होगा. तो therefore remainder are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore we can write positive integers is of the form A. If you put value here remainder 0, it is 6q. Then in next one 1 6q plus 1. Then 2 6q plus 2. Then 3 6q plus 3. Then 4 6q plus 4. And 6q plus 5. When you put remainder 5 here. So these are form of positive integers. Now we have found only odd integers. But here you know that 6 is even number. When you multiply even by any number by even number, you find even number. Therefore 6q is the even number. Okay, in next one, when we add 1 in even number, we find odd number. Therefore this is the odd number. Next one, 6q plus 2, 6q is even, and add even number, we find again even number. Now next one, 6q plus 3, 6q is the even, and add odd number 3, then we find the odd number. Now next one, 6q plus 4, 6q is the even, plus even, also even. Next one, 6q plus 5, 6q is even, plus 5 is odd, therefore 6q plus 5 is odd. Therefore positive odd integers is of form 6q plus 1, comma 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 is the answer. Okay. Now question 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Maximum number means the SCF. We find SCF. Okay. Now maximum number of column is equal to SCF of 616, 32. इन दोनों का हमें SCF निकालना है by Euclid division algorithm. Therefore we divide 616 by 32. 99 divide, remainder is 8. Okay. Then we divide 30 divisor by 8 4 times, remainder 0. यानी 8 से डिवाइड करने के बाद रिमाइंडर 0 आ रखा है. Therefore SCF is the 8. So maximum number of column is equal to 8. The answer. Now question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Okay. Here you given hint, but I am solving here this one. Yes, solution. Let a be any positive integers, and I take here b is equal to 6 divided 6 because here given 3m plus 1. So we take here b is equal to 3. Okay. So therefore by Euclid division lemma, a is equal to 3q plus r, where r is greater or equal to 0 but less than 3. Therefore remainder are 0, 1 and 2. If we put r 0, a is equal to 3q. If 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1. If 2, 3q plus 2. So there are three numbers, 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. I write here. So positive integers is of the form 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Okay. लेकिन हमें तो खाली ये भी इंटीजर्स निकाले हैं, but we have find square of the numbers. So therefore one by one, first one, if a is equal to 3q. Okay, 3q, first number take 3q, then square both side. A square is equal to 3q square. A square is equal to 3 square 9. 3 को हम बाहर निकाल लेंगे. 3q square, because we have found in form of 3m, so we can take 3 outside. This one 3q square is equal to some integers 3m. what 3q whole square. Okay, 3q square, it's 3q square होगा, 3q square, a square is equal to 3q square is equal to 3 into 3q square. A 3q square into 3 into, it is some integers taken here m, 3m. Okay, now second one, if a is equal to 3q plus 1, then square both side, a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square by using identity x plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy. We can find value of this one, 3q square whole square 9q square plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into 3q into 1, 2 into 3q into 1, 6q. Okay, now I replace, interchange the digit here, 9q square plus 6q plus 1 back side. Then you can take 3 common, both of them 3, because we find value in form of 3m. So 3 common, here 3q square remain plus 2q plus 1. Now 3 into, you can take it some integer, this one plus 1, 3m plus 1. Now third number, a is equal to 3q plus 2. Now a square, squaring both side, a square is equal to 3q plus 2q square is equal to, again using identity, 3q square 9q square plus 2 square 4 plus 2 into 3q into 2 to the 4, 3 the 12q. Then we can add 3q square to 9q square plus 12q. Then you can add 4, 3 plus 1. Then 3 is common here. Here 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Then you can take it some integers, 3m plus 1. So by first, it is first 3m, second 3m plus 1, third 3m plus 1. So y, therefore y first, second and third square of any positive integer is 3m or 3m plus 1 form for some integer. Okay. 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. It is same as question number 4. In question 4 we find square. In 5 we find cube. Okay. Now let a is any positive integers, and here we take b is equal to 9 because here you find 9m form. So we can take b 9. Therefore by Euclid division lemma, a is equal to 9q plus r, where r is equal and greater to 0, then 0 and less than 9. So therefore by this one remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So integers can be of the form, first one, if r 0, then a is equal to 9q. If r is 1, then integers is 9q plus 1. Next one 9q plus 2, and so on. Last one 9q plus 8. Okay, now these are the integers. Then we find the cubes. First one, if a is equal to 9q, then cubing both sides, a cube is equal to 9q whole cube is equal to 9 cube, 9 into 9 to 9. So we can find a value of in form 9m. So we take 9 outside. Here 81q cube is equal to 9 into m, 9m. Some integer m is equal to 81q cube. Here we can take 81q cube m, 9m. Next one, if a is equal to 9q plus 1. Yes, 9q plus 1. Then cubing both sides, a cube is equal to 9q plus 1 whole cube by using identity x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. We find here 9q cube, 729 cube plus 1 cube, 1 plus 3 into 9q square, 81 cube square into 1 plus 3 into 9 cube into 1 square is equal to 729 q cube plus it is 243 q square plus 9327 q and 1 is at last. Then because you find value in form 9m, so we can take 9 is common from 3 numbers 1 2 3, 9 common. Here 81 q cube plus here 27 q square, here 3 q plus 1. Then you can take its some integers, the value of this one m, 9m plus 1. Okay, where some integer m is equal to 81 q cube plus 27 q square plus 3 q. Third one, if a is equal to, next one is 9q plus 2. If a is equal to 9q plus 2, then cubing both side, a cube is equal to 9q plus 2 whole cube is equal to, using same identity, it is 9q cube, 729 cube plus 2 cube 8 plus 3 into 9q square, 81q square into 2 plus 3 into 9q into 4. It is this one 729 q cube plus it is 236 into 81 q square plus 3 4 12, 9 into 9 q plus 8 here. Then we take here 9 common because we find value in form 9m. So therefore 9 is common. Here 81 q cube plus 54 q square plus 12 q plus 8. Then you can take it is some integers is 9m plus 8, where some integer m is equal to 81 q cube plus 54 q square plus 12 q. Okay. Now by first, second and third. In first 9m, in second 9m plus 1, in third 9m plus 8. Okay. Cube of any positive integers is of form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Answer. Okay. Now if you understood and satisfied with my way of teaching, like and subscribe my channel for next update. Continue. Thanks.